I'm the real deal. I'm 61. I started investing in real estate when I was 19 years old. So I've got 42 years experience investing. And as I even drive by right here, I'll drive by $30 million worth of real estate that I own, that I personally still own and control. I've got about 185,000 square feet of properties that I own and control. Every single one of them I negotiated, I bought the deals. I got some right in front of me. Take a look here. I own that property over there. That's, worth $4 million, $5 million. Here's another, $5 million worth of property there. I brag about being able to throw a rock and keep hitting. See this property on the right? I own this property. I've sold it, but I own that one, this following, the next one, all the way up to you see this restaurant here on the right. I bought that and sold it as well. So the reason I'm such a relevant mentor and important to people like yourself watching is that I've been buying the kind of property that we all drive by every single day in our lives. The stuff you just saw, and besides, I just showed you a bunch of nice commercial, industrial, and office properties right there. But there's so much more. What I didn't show you is there's another probably 6 million right there just in houses that I drove by that I own as well. It takes time to develop skills, but you can start making money. It's like any job you get. You go to work for somebody and you're working and you're making money. And here's another one I own, by the way, real quick. I paid $1 million. It's on the right there. It's actually, I got accounts there now, but it used to be a jiu-jitsu school. I paid $1 million. I still own that property. I paid $1,050,000 for that thing, and it's worth quite a bit more than that right now. These kinds of assets pay me hundreds of thousands of dollars a month in rental income, and it doesn't happen overnight, but it happens quick enough. I've got students in my class. They've created another $150,000, $200,000 a year in income, and some of them millions of dollars in profits, and I'm talking cash, realized cash profits, and where they've reinvested those profits into buying more real estate, more of the same, and because they've got a good mentor, they're able to avoid the mistakes that I made when I was younger, and they're able to take advantage of the knowledge that I have now that I wish I had when I started when I was 19. So when I was 19, I started, I did well, and but I had to learn everything the hard way. I didn't have a role model or somebody that credible that could teach me or show me anything. I just had what most of you have around you. You have people around you that don't know what they're doing. There's no school, except for mine, that's going to teach you how to make money in real estate the fastest way possible and the way that I've done it. And I'm not talking about, chasing these gimmicky things like sub 2 and lease option to buy. And believe me, I've done those things too. But they're a very small percentage of my portfolio, and they make up a very small percentage of the big profits of the monies that I've made. And the stuff that you will learn from me is stuff that you'll have for the rest of your life. It's like learning how to ride a bike. And you're not going to learn it in a year. You can learn a lot in a year, and you can make over $1 million in a year. And see, I can make that statement honestly because I have students that have actually done that well. As somebody that's supposed to be a mentor, or even these guys that have these funds, which is one of the reasons some of these guys are getting into deep shit, is because they boast about gains that they say that you can have, although they have no track record of producing those types of gains or successes. I have a success rate. I have more successful students and testimonials in the 2.5 years that I've been doing this than the fake gurus that have been doing this for 10 or 20 years. Now, that's a big difference. If you got a decent mind and you can dissuade shit from shinola, you'll know that very quickly. So look, I invite you to subscribe, number one, to my channel, and go to my website, flipanythingusa.com. Take a look at the testimonials. I have a mentorship in there, but I don't care if you sign or not. I'd like you. And you have to apply to get into it. You don't just get into it just because you're willing to pay the fees. There's plenty of fakes out there that'll take your money, whether you got any potential or not. But my book, you can get my book here for $10 on Kindle, I think, $20 in paperback. So you could be reading that right now. You can go read some of it for free right now, but you can go get that on Amazon right now and just start Start taking it in. You want to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate? I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, flipanythingusa.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.